E-commerce and dropshipping. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about e-commerce and dropshipping. These two have revolutionized online shopping, and in 2024, they're hotter than ever. Whether you're looking to start your own business, earn passive income, or just curious about the latest trends in the online selling space, this video is for you. We'll dive into what's trending, how to get started, and some pro tips to maximize your success. Let's get started. What is e-commerce and dropshipping? Let's break it down for those new to the topic. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, is simply buying and selling products or services online. This includes everything from big marketplaces like Amazon to smaller niche websites. Dropshipping is a business model within e-commerce where you, as the seller, don't need to keep inventory. Instead, when someone buys a product from your online store, you purchase it from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. It's a low-risk way to enter the online selling space. So, in short, e-commerce is the broader umbrella, and dropshipping is a specific strategy within it. Why e-commerce and dropshipping are booming in 2024. E-commerce and dropshipping have been around for a while, but 2024 has brought in some new trends and strategies that have elevated them to new heights. 1. Rise of AI tools. Artificial intelligence is playing a huge role in optimizing e-commerce. From personalized customer experiences to predictive analytics and AI-driven chatbots, automation is simplifying operations like never before. 2. Focus on sustainability. There's a shift towards eco-friendly products and sustainable business practices. Consumers are now more conscious of what they buy and prefer brands that focus on sustainability. This has led to the rise of dropshipping eco-friendly products like biodegradable items, organic skincare, and reusable household goods. 3. Influencer partnerships. Influencer marketing continues to dominate, and it's even bigger in 2024. Partnering with influencers to promote niche products has proven to drive conversions and brand trust. 4. Niche markets dominate. General stores are losing appeal. Instead, niche-focused stores are winning big. Specializing in one category like vegan beauty products, pet supplies, or tech gadgets can increase brand loyalty. How to start with dropshipping in 2024. Now, let's talk about how you can start a dropshipping business in 2024. 1. Choosing a profitable niche. This is the first and most crucial step. Do your research, find a niche you're passionate about, but also check its market demand using tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. For 2024, hot niches include tech accessories, home workout gear, pet gadgets, and sustainable living products. 2. Selecting a reliable supplier. Finding a trustworthy supplier is crucial. Platforms like AliExpress, Alibaba, and Oberlo are popular, but also consider domestic suppliers for faster shipping. In 2024, there's a trend towards private labeling, where you can brand generic products as your own. This increases brand value and allows for better customer loyalty. 3. Building your store. To set up your online store, platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce are top choices. Shopify is beginner-friendly with plenty of templates, while WooCommerce offers flexibility if you're comfortable with WordPress. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, as mobile shopping is at an all-time high. 4. Marketing your products. Your store is ready, now what? Invest in a marketing strategy. Focus on social media advertising, especially TikTok and Instagram, content marketing, and email campaigns. Consider working with micro-influencers within your niche. They often have highly engaged audiences. E-commerce trends and tips for 2024. Now, let's explore the top e-commerce trends in 2024 that you should know to stay ahead of the game. 1. AI and chatbots. AI-driven chatbots are no longer optional, they're essential. These tools can handle customer queries 24/7, recommend products, and even manage upselling and cross-selling. Using platforms like Zendesk or HubSpot can help you implement AI seamlessly. 2. Subscription box model. Subscription boxes are on the rise. Offering a monthly subscription service for your products not only builds a consistent revenue stream but also strengthens customer retention. Niche subscription boxes like eco-friendly household items or pet supplies are trending. 3. Live shopping and video content. Live shopping is huge in 2024, particularly on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Host live streams showcasing your products, offer discounts, and engage with customers in real time. It's a fantastic way to build a community around your brand. 4. Social commerce. Selling directly through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook is gaining momentum. Instagram Shops and Facebook Marketplace allow customers to purchase without leaving the app. If you aren't leveraging social commerce, you're missing out. 5. Focus on mobile experience. Optimizing your website for mobile devices is more important than ever. Mobile-first design, fast loading times, and a simple checkout process can significantly impact your conversion rates. Remember, over 50% of online shopping happens on mobile. 6. User-generated content UGC. UGC is gold for building trust. Encourage your customers to share photos and videos of your products, and then feature them on your website and social media. It's a great way to showcase real experiences. 7. Personalization. Personalized shopping experiences increase sales. From personalized product recommendations to custom email offers, use tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp to segment your audience and cater to their preferences. 8. Faster shipping and local warehouses. Customer expectations for fast shipping continue to rise. Consider working with suppliers who have local warehouses for quicker delivery, or look into 3PL third-party logistics services like ShipBob to handle fulfillment.